We're talking about key principle for autism reversal number 9, that is the 9th commandment. Do not teach the children by alphabets, letters, numbers, or what is this kind of teaching. Why this is important? Because life is not related to alphabets, letters and numbers. Life is related to communication. What the child means to communicate is more important. So it's very important to teach the child in the form of stories, sequences, paragraphs and meaningful sequential sentences instead of teaching them the alphabets. Introducing academics before the learning of the normal day-to-day conversation communication will not be of any help, and it will be a waste of time. Unless a child learns to understand and communicate with the family members, with the society and with the other children, child should not be introduced with the academics.